Hello everyone, this is group number 6, and in this simulation we are going to show the current state of the steel rod manufacturing process. Alright, this line begins with the billets entering into the furnace, the heating furnace, where each batch takes about 2 to 3 hours to reach out the required temperature, and then it takes about 8 minutes to process the billets that are entering into it. Normally, the next step would be the descaling system. However, due to the frequent failures that it caused, because it caused damage in the surface of the rebars that it processed, we just take this out. As a result, billets go directly from the furnace to the rolling stands, skipping the descaling, as you can see right here. This decision avoids stoppage, but it also leads to quality problems, since the oxide layer remains into the steel furnace. Well, this rolling section includes 18 stands that they're just here in just one process. Basically, it is divided into rolling, intermediate, and finish stages. We also have a shortcuts right here that just cut the head and the tail of the billet that you can see right here. And at the end, we just get the final shape of the billets. They're just accumulating in this queue right here that is called finishing. They're just stacking in this part right here. All right. Well, next, we go to the second stage. That it starts with the VGV1 model that engraves the ribs and also the company logo. And the pullers transfer the bars. Let me just start this for you. And then we have the pullers in the same process that just transfer the bars to the cooling table. So here is where the bars stop and then it's situated into the cooling table. This table holds about 50 bars with a cycle of 3 to 4 minutes. So we wait to the 50 bars to be on this part right here, and then they just go to the cold cutting, where the rebars are cut to the length, and we count to them. But that's on the next stage. So that's where this part just ends. So we're just gonna put this a little bit forward for you. We just wait for this to get 50 bars, and then you're gonna see how they are just cold and cut in this part right here. They are just turned color blue because they are very cold and cut. And then for the last part, we have the stage number 3 that it start with the vertical discharger. We just take about 10 bars to be in each package. These bundles are tight and weight, and they're transferred to the dispatching area. So we're gonna start this for you. You're gonna see how they're just taken to the tying part. We wait till we have 10 in a bundle, and then we just put this in the waiting part, and then they go to the dispatching area. And at the end, we're gonna see how many packages do we have. Thank you very much.